Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of the channel. If this is the first time we meet, my name is Alia, and what we do here is that we get a chance to reflect together about life and the laws of the universe through the Islamic teachings, and also we get a chance to learn the Arabic language, specifically the Egyptian culture and the Egyptian dialect. So if you are interested in any of these topics and you haven't already, then I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And about today's video, we are going to learn about 3 different ways or 3 different situations where we can use the word etfaddal in Egyptian. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, when do we use the word etfaddal in Egyptian? The first situation where we use it is simply to say, here you go, there you go, here it is. Okay, so let's say, for example, that I need to borrow your pen. So I say ممكن القلم, and if you don't know what is ممكن, I have another video about that. I'm going to leave you in the links in the cards above, okay, so that you can check it if you want. And so I say ممكن القلم, can I use your pen? You say etfaddal or etfaddali, depending on what, again, about male and female. So you are talking to a man, you say etfaddal. You are talking to a woman, you say etfaddali. Okay, so etfaddal, there you go, here it is. Okay, this is the first use of etfaddal. And then another use, a second use for the word etfaddal is, for example, to say come in. Okay, so I am in my office and someone come to my office and I want to say, they knock and I want to say come in please. What do I say in Egyptian? I say etfaddal. Okay, and in this case I say etfaddal without, not etfaddali, because I don't know who is behind the door. Okay, so I just say etfaddal. Okay, or for example, if I have some friends coming to my home and if I know that my friend is a guy, I would say etfaddal. But if I know that my friend is a girl, I'm going to say etfaddali. Okay, so also here it means like come in please. Okay, well, and the third situation where we use the word etfaddal or etfaddali is to mean please start something, okay, or go ahead. So when do we use that exactly? For example, if we are sitting on a table and we are ready to eat, okay, so we say etfaddal, okay, or etfaddalu. This is for plural, etfaddalu, meaning you can go ahead and start eating. Okay, or even if you are in a conference, for example, and it's your turn to come and speak, so etfaddal حضرتك. Etfaddal is like go ahead and start your speech. Okay, so this third use is simply to mean go ahead. Okay, these are the 3 uses of the word etfaddal or etfaddali. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If so, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they can get the use out of it as well. I will be waiting for your questions and your comments, and I will be getting back to you as soon as I can. And finally, if you haven't already and you like the content of the channel, then remember to subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.